Hello everyone, welcome to Nana's Classic Stitches channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. The returnees too, welcome. Okay, now we're gonna continue with our shapes. We have already done 8 pieces. They're all 10 pieces together. And we've been doing 2 at a time. We've done 8 pieces and we have the last 2 pieces to finish. So today we're going to do triangle and then the U shape. I've changed the U shape. The first one I showed you was very deep, but I redraw it again. Okay, but before we start doing our shapes, there are a couple of things of the machine part that I didn't show you the last time, so I'm going to show you now. Okay, one, I'm going to show you the removable extended table. This is it. And then you have a storage drawer in here in the front of it. And this is when you're doing sleeves, you can slot it in here. Okay, when you're doing sleeves. Yeah, it's easier with the sleeves. And other sewing pieces, when you're having a hard time to go under the machine, you can use this free arm to sew on it. Now I'm going to put it back on. And what else did I forget? The presser foot lifter at the back. Oh, can you see? I don't know if you can see. At the back, the presser foot lifter. Okay, this is the normal when you lift it up. But let's say, for example, if you have a thicker fabric or layers of fabric that you want to put under the presser foot and it doesn't go, you can push this up as far as it can go or to the highest point, and this will lift up higher for you to slot down your fabric under. Okay, so that one. And then oh, the light is so bright you can't even see. Let's see if I put this off, you can see it. You have this needle plate. It has lines beside the feed dog. It has a 1/4, 3/8, 1/2 inch, and 5/8 for your seam allowance. Depending on what seam allowance you're using, you put the edge of your fabric at the edge. If it's a 1/4, you put it at the edge of your fabric on a 1/4, or 3/8, 1/2 inch, or 5/8. And when you're sewing, you don't look at the needle. You look at the edge of your fabric where your seam allowance you have put in the fabric on. You look at that whilst you're sewing. And I think that's the only 3 things I didn't tell you, but there's a couple of them more. But as I said, I'll do this a bit at a time, step by step. Okay, now let's sew. We're going to do the triangle piece first. It doesn't matter whether you do the outside line or the inside line first. And if you are new to my channel, please go back and watch my other 2, 3, 4 videos, and then this will make more sense to you and you can follow. Okay, so let's start. As I always say, you're learning. So take your time. You don't have to speed up. And don't forget to backstitch and also cut your threads. Coming to the point, so slow down, stop the machine, use your hand wheel, make sure the needle is inside the point, and then raise up your presser foot, pivot, and put it back down and keep going. Coming to the point again, stop the machine, use your hand wheel, bring it to the point, press a foot up, pivot, press a foot down, and keep going. We're doing good with the time. Anytime I speed, my machine shakes. I don't know why. So today I'm gonna go take my time and go slow. I'm gonna do one more and then come off the camera, and then you do yours, and I'll be back just to save time. Okay, I've done 3. So I'm gonna get off and I'll be back. Thank you. Hello, I'm back. I finished the triangle. So now we're gonna move on to the U shape. Okay. Every time, as I said before, every time I speed, my machine shakes. I don't know. So I'm gonna go slow. Yeah, if you had to stop a couple of times just to turn the corners, don't hesitate, just stop. If you can do it all in one shot for the U shape, go ahead. Again, I'm gonna do one more and then come off the camera. Ooh, my thread. Then I'll finish it and I'll be back. Okay, I finished 3, so I'm coming off the camera and I'll see you in a bit. Thanks. Hello there, I'm back. I finished all the U. So it's all gonna be pressed, and then I'll show you to you guys all 10 of it, all the 10 pieces on the next video. Okay, so this is the end of the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, share, like, and comment. Bye for now.